Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live on the Gist today. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Tacha says Big Brother did not help her life. Let's check out details. Reality TV star and former Big Brother Naija housemate Tacha has rubbish claims that the show Big Brother Naija helped her life. Tacha, in a short viral TikTok video posted on her Twitter page on Thursday, and said the reality show only gave her a platform. Tacha explained that in return for the platform, she gave Big Brother Naija a show. The controversial social media personality went ahead to brag about being the highlight of the Pepper Dem show season, noting that the show would have been bowed without a presence. Speaking in a mocking manner while she laughed hysterically, she said, "Helped whose life? What? Oh my gosh, they crack me up for this app. Legit, Big Brother gave me a platform. Tacha gave Big Brother a freaking show. What's Pepper Dem season without Tacha? Get your facts right." Guys, let's check out the video.
What? Helped whose life? What? Oh my gosh, they crack me up for this app though, legit. Listen, right? Big Brother gave me a platform. Tacha gave Big Brother a freaking show. What was Pepper Dem season without Tacha? Get your facts right. And listen, it is not compulsory to put a comment on every post. Some posts just jump past. If you do not have anything to say, nobody will beat you, okay? Okay? Stop exhibiting your foolishness on TikTok. The fuck is wrong with you? The fuck is wrong with you?
Tacha was disqualified from the Big Brother Naija 2019 edition for violating the rules of the show after she had a confrontation with Messi, who turned out to be the Big Brother Naija winner. Well, what do you think? Did Big Brother Naija make Tacha, or did Tacha give Big Brother Naija a show? Let's know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.